Hare Krishna. Welcome to Krishna's Cuisine. I am Bhuvan Sundari Radha Devidasi with an amazing snacks recipe. Today we will make methi khakra, which is a famous Gujarati snack with a perfect crisp and a fresh taste of fenugreek leaves. You can even store it in an airtight container for a month. So let's get started. First let heat a kadai and add in half cup of fenugreek leaves. We will cook it till all the water evaporates and the leaves appear dry. Use only the fenugreek leaves and avoid using its sticks. Stick would cause disturbances while rolling the khakras. It has been 3 to 4 minutes and you can see the leaves have shrunk. Let's turn off the flame. Next, take a mixing bowl and add in 1 and a half cup wheat flour. Add salt as per taste. 1 teaspoon of carom seed, crush it with your palm and add it. Half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder and cooked fenugreek leaves. And add 2 teaspoons of oil. Now mix everything well. Instead of methi, we can also use kasuri methi. But if you are using kasuri methi, there is no need of the first roasting step. We use fresh fenugreek leaves as it tastes more authentic and we get a wonderful fresh flavor. We will need a medium hard dough. Add some water and knead the dough. Make sure you do not add too much of water at once. I have listed down the ingredients below in the description box. You can refer it. Our dough is ready. Let's add a 1 teaspoon of oil and give it a final knead. We will take the dough outside. Here I have used around more than 1/4 cup of water. Knead it very well. Kneading now will give a very smooth dough. Knead it for at least 4 to 5 minutes. Our dough has smoothened. You can see its texture. Now let's make small balls out of it. Similarly, we will make all the balls. It is ready. Here I have taken some wheat flour for rolling the ball. Roll it into a chapati and make it as thin as you can. Now you can make out there is no difficulty in rolling thin where there are no fenugreek sticks. I will be using this ball to cut the khakra and give all of them equal size. You can see its thickness, how thin it is. I will show you one more. It is very important to cut the khakra using stencil so that the edges and the surface of the khakra are of even thickness. If the edges of khakra are thick, they become soft and the thin center only turns crispy. You can see our khakras are ready to get roasted. Now heat a pan and place a khakra. First we will be cooking them partially. Flip it. You can see it has cooked half this side. Now take it in a plate. Similarly, I will half cook one more. This doesn't take much time, just 1 minute. Flip it. This is how it needs to be. Turn it again. We will partially cook the khakras. Similarly, I have half cooked them and kept them spreaded, so the steam is escaped. Now we will cook these khakras completely. I am going to use such cloth and gathered it to make it like this. Using this, roast the khakras very well from the edges. Flip it and cook it well. You can see this side it has cooked well. Let's take it out in a plate. Similarly, we will cook all the khakras. If you do not have fenugreek leaves, you can skip it and make simple masala khakras. This is an instant snacks very good for diabetes patients. It is oil free also as we are not frying it. You can see how wonderful and very crispy khakras are ready. If you want, you can apply ghee and sprinkle some cumin powder or chaat masala. Our crispy, tasty snacks is ready. Let's offer it to Lord Jagannath by placing a tulsi leaf. Our all-time favorite quick snacks is offered and ready. If you like bhuga recipes, please like, share, subscribe and click on the bell icon below so you do not miss any bhuga recipe. Always chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare and